Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch ES and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. If you want to change the straps or the wristband on your watch, first you need to pick it up and flip it over. And on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this hinge or a lever you can pull to unlock the strap. And to do it, simply use the fingernail to grab the lever, pull it towards the middle of the strap band, and once you pull it, you will be able to release the band and take it out. Basically, how it works is when you pull on this lever, this pin hides and you can basically pull out the strap. Let's do the same for the second one, like this, and now we have both of the straps removed, and that's how they look like. And here we have it. And once you get the new ones, you can put them back on by getting this side of the strap, the one without the one opposite to the lever one. You can put it in hole like this, then pull the lever, hide the pin, adjust the pin so it is right next to a hole, release the lever and the pin will go into a hole and it will lock the strap. You can do the same for the second one. Put the one in the hole like that, pull the lever. Come on, this one is a bit annoying. Let me fix this like this. Pull the thing, hide the pin, adjust the strap so it aligns to the hole, release it and it should lock. That's like this. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.